know what they talk about, and what they talking about.
First of all, yeah, I know that I know not none, but I also know they talk about that in the Quran. It warns most of them is right. They just follow an opinion, they just guessing. Some conceal the truth, no it leads suppressing. Holy verses that I kick, I remind about God. Got a law prioritize, dodge your bliss, and the block mischief for the evil eyes. Begging for forgiveness for our sins, repent. Hoping that the mercy of the Lord relent. Seeing the bigger picture, trying to better our ways. The adversary's always on point, right on our case. Words give us coverage, voice with a bass. Then the word became flesh and them in the face. Giving glad tidings of a heavenly place, where your pain and your tears shall be replaced.
Everybody got their opinions. Everybody got their opinions. Everybody got their opinions. Everybody got their opinions.
Granted a strategy that is so clever. Spit a word that'll live forever and ever. All ties with the gossip, you gotta sever. Your tongue is an organ that'll bring you to hell. It can also bring you to paradise. It depends how you use it wise. I avoid fan talks as much as I can. Scary, yo, this life is crazy, baby. Especially if you're dealing with nosy neighbors, speculations, rumors quickly spread. Chit and chat, different opinions crash. When the ego's involved, it leads to violence. Sometimes a better choice, the choice of silence. Some silence, though, all because of finance. Comments in which they fear decline, so they don't tell the truth rather than surround it. All that they do, a lot around it. When the records are pulled up, they be astounded. Holy, holy, higher, higher, what we aspire. Lord alive, please preserve us from the fire.
Everybody got their opinions. Everybody got their opinions. Everybody got their opinions.
Holy, holy, higher, higher, what we aspire. Lord alive, please preserve us from the fire. And you fire.
What they talk about, what they talking about, what they talk about, what they talk about.